Hello students, good morning to all of you. Students, today we will discuss how to make energy level of different atomic orbitals on the basis of periodic table. Students, you know that what is periodic table? Periodic table is the arrangement of elements in tabular forms, and periodic table is consist of two parts, which is periods and group. Now question is, what are periods? Periods, these are horizontal lines, and groups are vertical lines. There are 7 periods in periodic table, which are mentioned as 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Students, first period is started with 1s atomic orbitals, while second to 7 period starts with s atomic orbitals, or we can say ns atomic orbitals, and ends with p atomic orbitals. It is clear? So we can say that only first period starts and end with 1s atomic orbital, and second to 7th period starts with ns atomic orbitals and ends with np atomic orbital. These are 2 points. And now third point is, as soon as fourth पीरियड स्टार्ट, और जैसे ही फोर्थ पीरियड स्टार्ट होता है, इट आल्सो हैव n-1 d atomic orbitals. फोर्थ पीरियड हैव n-1 d atomic orbitals up to 7th period, and as soon as 6th period starts, it have n-2 f orbital, n-1 d orbitals along with ns and np atomic orbitals. On the basis of this important point, we can give energy level of different atomic orbitals. Question is, how we can determine the energy level of different atomic orbitals on the basis of periodic table? So answer is, first period is starts and end with 1s atomic orbitals, and second period is starts with 2s atomic orbital and ends with 2p atomic orbitals, and third period is starts with 3s atomic orbital and ends with 3p atomic orbitals, and fourth period, it also starts with 4s atomic orbitals, and it have n-1 d atomic orbital. So write down n, value of n for fourth period is 4, and n-1 it is 3. So it have 3d atomic orbital and 4p atomic orbital. And now fifth period also starts with 5s atomic orbital, and it have n-1 d atomic orbital, which is 4d atomic orbital and 5p atomic orbital. And after this, it is sixth period, and sixth period starts with 6s atomic orbital. It have n-2 f orbital. So 6s, n equal to 6, n-2 equal to 4f atomic orbital, and n-1 d, n equal to 6. So n-2 equal to 4, n-1 equal to 5. 5d atomic orbital and 6p atomic orbital. And now seventh period starts with 7s atomic orbital, and it have 5f atomic orbital because n-2f orbital, and 6d atomic orbital with 6p atomic orbital. So students, it is energy levels of different atomic orbitals on the basis of periodic table, and the filling of electrons takes place in this sequence. First, electrons enter in 1s atomic orbital, then 2s, and then 2p, then 3s, then 3p, then 4s, 3d, 4p, 5s, 4d, 5p, 6s, 4f, 5d, 6p, 7s, 5f, 6d, and 7p. So students, on the basis of periodic table, we can determine energy level of different atomic orbitals, and there are some important points or mnemonics by which we can learn these energy level of atomic orbital, which is n equal to 4. n equal to 4 means boundary, forerun. n equal to 6, it is sixer. as soon as बेटा जैसे ही n equal to 4 स्टार्ट होता है, हमें n-1d एटॉमिक ऑर्बिटल मिलता है, और n-1d एटॉमिक ऑर्बिटल n-4 नहीं, n इक्वल टू 4 टू n इक्वल टू 7 तक रन करता है. 4p, 5p, 6p, p बोल दिया, 8d आएगा, 3d, 4d, 5d एंड 6d. और जैसे ही n इक्वल टू 6 होता है, हमें n-2 f ऑर्बिटल मिल जाता है. n-2 f ऑर्बिटल, ये 4f रहेगा, 4f और 5f तक आता है. तो स्टूडेंट्स, इसके पीरियोडिक टेबल के बेस पे हम एटॉमिक ऑर्बिटल्स की एनर्जी लेवल को सिंपली लिख सकते हैं. तो इसको आप समझ लें. चैनल के लिए सब्सक्राइब करें, वीडियो के लिए लाइक करें. थैंक यू.